Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now as you can see in the log display section we've got the screen timeout, so let's tap on it, and here we've got a lot of options from which we can choose. So we've got kind of, I would say, shorter options, just like 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes, and so they are much longer. As you can see right now we've got the 30 minutes option applied. This option is marked, and basically all you have to do in order to change the timeout is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 10 minutes. As you can see, it is marked immediately. What's more, here you've got the option, the screen attention, which simply means that after turning it on, your device will not turn off if you're looking at it. So that's kind of quite cool option, I would say. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on this switcher. It's up to you. In order to set the timeout, just get back. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.